Hello everyone. Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals to earn passive income online. Traditionally, having a website was seen as a prerequisite for successful affiliate marketing. However, with advancements in technology and social media platforms, it's now possible to engage in affiliate marketing without a website. In this video, we'll explore 10 effective strategies for doing affiliate marketing without a website. 1. Utilize social media platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest can be powerful tools for affiliate marketing. Create engaging content related to your niche and incorporate affiliate links strategically within your posts. For example, if you're promoting fitness products, you can share workout routines or healthy recipes and include affiliate links to relevant products. 2. Create YouTube tutorials or reviews. YouTube is an excellent platform for creating video content that can drive affiliate sales. You can create tutorials, product reviews, and more. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description or as overlays within the video itself. Provide valuable information to viewers to establish trust and credibility. 3. Guest blogging and content contributions. Many websites and blogs accept guest contributions. Reach out to websites in your niche and offer to write informative articles or reviews. Within these articles, you can include affiliate links where appropriate. Guest blogging not only helps you reach a wider audience but also builds backlinks and improves your online presence. 4. Participate in online communities. Join relevant online communities related to your niche. Engage in conversations, provide valuable insights, and answer questions. As you build relationships and establish yourself as an authority, you can subtly promote affiliate products when relevant. However, be mindful of community rules regarding promotional content. 5. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your niche. Offer valuable content, such as newsletters or exclusive tips, to encourage people to subscribe. Once you have a list, you can promote affiliate products through targeted email campaigns. Personalize your messages and focus on providing solutions to your subscribers' problems. 6. Host webinars or live streams. Webinars and live streams allow you to interact directly with your audience in real time. Use these platforms to educate, demonstrate products, and answer questions. Incorporate affiliate links into your presentations or provide exclusive offers to viewers. Webinars and live streams can help you build trust and rapport with potential customers. 7. Create a podcast. Podcasts are gaining popularity as a medium for sharing information and promoting products. Start a podcast related to your niche and regularly release episodes discussing industry trends, tips, and product recommendations. Include affiliate links in your podcast show notes or mention them during episodes. Podcast listeners can be highly engaged and receptive to recommendations. 8. Utilize influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to promote affiliate products. Influencers have established audiences and can significantly expand your reach. Negotiate partnerships where influencers create content featuring the products you're promoting and include affiliate links. Choose influencers whose values align with your brand for authenticity. 9. Create interactive content. Interactive content such as quizzes, polls, and surveys can be engaging and effective for affiliate marketing. Design interactive content related to your niche and incorporate affiliate product recommendations based on users' responses. Encourage sharing of the interactive content to reach a broader audience and generate affiliate sales. 10. Utilize paid advertising. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram Ads, can help you reach targeted audiences quickly. Create compelling ad campaigns that drive traffic to affiliate product landing pages or promotional offers. Monitor and optimize your ads to maximize conversions and return on investment, ROI. In conclusion, affiliate marketing without a website is entirely possible using a variety of digital channels and strategies. By leveraging social media, video platforms, guest blogging, email marketing, online communities, podcasts, influencer collaborations, interactive content, and paid advertising, you can effectively promote affiliate products and generate income. Remember to prioritize providing value to your audience and building trust to achieve long-term success in affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in a practical way, I recommend that you visit the link in the description where you will find this complete training.